Hello and welcome to Nowhere. My name is Trish and I am the creator behind Nowhere Novelties. It is the very last day of spooky season and I did not forget to finish off strong. I love the Powerwash method to give a really unique look to a cup, and it almost gives like a spooky vibe. It kind of looks like, I don't know, like ghosty or like bubbly, like in a cauldron. So today I'm going to be creating a reverse ombre power wash on a cup with two very iconic Halloween colors and a spooky decal. If you're ready to see this come together, let's strap in and shoot for the stars. I have a 30-ounce curved tumbler from Maker Flow Crafts. It is base painted real orange and grape in an ombre from Rustoleum. I have about 25 milliliters of epoxy pre-mixed, and I am adding about a pea size of Helix additive from the Glitter Grind. This is a super fine silver glitter, but when it goes onto a cup, I really just find that it's like a cheat glitter. It basically turns your spray paint into like a color matched glitter ombre. I made sure I got good even coverage throughout this cup, including the bottom. Once this was fully cured, we were actually ready for the next step without doing another coat of epoxy, and that next step is the power wash method. I've shown the power wash method before, but I'll kind of explain it again. You're going to need Dawn Power Wash. It is specific, that has like the foam sprayer. Make sure your spray paint colors are pre-mixed. Shake those bad boys up before you are ready to spray the Dawn, because you need to go right over that foam and the foam does dissipate. So I have a bucket of water ready. So I am spraying the real orange over the grape and then the grape over the orange. So that's going to create that reverse ombre effect on the cup. I think this gives a really cool effect, and you can do this with literally any two colors. Two super contrasting colors like purple and orange, or maybe like a light sky blue with like a lime green would look really cool. Once you've spray painted, dunk that bad boy to get all the soap off, and this is your final result. I like to live on the edge, so I did go right in with my decal without applying a layer of epoxy. Kind of looked around and found a spot that I wanted the majority of the decal to kind of cover up. So this big purple spot kind of down on the bottom of this cup is where I wanted to apply the decal. I got this decal from Creative Fabrica, and I'm putting it on a white offset, and this color shift vinyl shifts from orange to pink to purple. So I thought it was perfect to kind of match our color scheme on this cup. Once this decal is applied to the cup, I did 2 final coats of epoxy, and that's it. This is like the easiest cup, but it looks like so much work went into it. But kind of doing a few cheat steps, if you want to call it that, turns a really intricate design into just a few simple steps. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you do give this a try, please show me your designs. I have a Facebook group. It is linked on my YouTube homepage, like my channel page. So please come join me. It's a very small group because I'm a very small time channel, but I would love to see you guys there. I also sell most of my cups on my Facebook group, and I also do have an Etsy page, which is linked on my homepage as well. So check that out if you're interested in any of my designs. I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye now.